Today I'm going to be showing you my slime. So here's one, and I'm just pressing it. It's really fluffy. Yeah, it's like a creamy slime. Oh my god. So, yeah, it's kind of creamy and fluffy. It's not that stretchy though. So that's the slime I made. And I'm gonna put it here. This is a water slime. As you can see. And it's actually kind of sticky. This is actually a pretty good slime, but it's sticky. I like the way the texture is. Like, look at it, it's so jiggly. And sticky. Look, watch. And it just moves like that so quickly. Ah! And this, so I'm gonna name these. So this will be Sticky Cherry Bomb. Sticky Cherry Bomb. So they call this Sticky Cherry Bomb. This one should be Green Apple Creamy Cake. Green apple creamy cake. Green apple creamy cake. Okay. Yeah, I pick very long names. I don't know why. But comment down below if you have a better name than those names, so I can name them. And in the next video, when you comment and I think it's a good name, I'm gonna tell you what their names are. And over here, this is not just a plain slime. I have these foam beads. And it's actually like iceberg cake. It's like an iceberg slime, but it's actually not. Because look over here, it's just coming out. It's like an iceberg cake. so glassy. You can see over here. So here's the bit that's glassy. And I'm going to mix it in with the bees. Oh, it's actually very big. Oh. And there's something in my slime. This one, I think I would name this Crunchy Candy Floss. Crunchy Candy Floss. Oh, I love this one, but I think my favorite might be the watery one, or I don't really know. I think I like all of them, so I can't really choose which one I like. I don't know. Comment down below which one is your favorite. My favorite about this one is because it's like very fluffy and creamy. And when you leave it in there for a day or two, it goes like iceberg slime. And you don't have to put it in the freezer. Does it look creamy? If it doesn't, it's still creamy. And look at the clear color of it. It's like a very nice light green. And I think it makes it look all it looks all creamy the way you look at it. Of the color, it looks creamy. It looks creamy and it is creamy. So yeah, I just putting it in here. Guys, I didn't buy this slime, okay? I made this. The slime that I bought, I had to make it, but it's bad, so I threw it out, and then I made this slime, and I put it in this container. And then this container, yeah, I made it, obviously. Comment down below which one is your favorite. Did I already say that? I just done a bubble and then it popped. Did you see it, guys? Because I saw it. Oh, I didn't make a bubble then. So, yeah. Really sticky. Oh, clean my hands. I need to clean my hands anyways. So, I'm cleaning my hands. But it won't be too clean, they'll just be clean. Okay, so it has been a very fun video for me because I love slime. And I could never live without slime. It's actually just really good. This is actually very good. Very good slime to have. So, yeah. And guys, the next one and I want to look at Kinzip. And now, see you guys next time.